Hi, good day, M6154. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, Madam, Sir. My name is Estelit Paderes. I'm 43 years old. My birthday is October 8, 1982. I have two children, and their name is Samantha and Sandra. The eldest is 12 years old, and the youngest is 10 years old.
Your religion,
I'm a born-again Christian.
highest educational attainment.
I finished high school graduate and I have short courses taking care of elderly. I am holding a NC2.
Okay,
NC2.
like caregiver. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, and also your civil status.
I'm married.
Married.
Yes.
You are married. Okay. Since I saw that you have experience, tell me about your experiences as a
Uh,
helper.
okay. I work in Dubai around 2 years, but I did not finish the contract because my employer always hit and not beat.
Hit you.
Yes, and they do abuse.
Abusive. Your
Yes.
employer was abusive. But your main duty as a helper there,
Taking care of their baby.
which is the 1 year old,
Yes.
and other household chores.
All around, sir. Doing cleaning, laundry, sometimes cooking, lighting.
And also you're taking care of pets, right?
Yes.
Which is two cats and two dogs.
Yes.
Okay. Then you have also experience here in the Philippines.
Yes.
For how many years?
Around 3 years.
Okay, 3 years. But on your first employer, which is in Dubai, you almost finish your contract, right?
Yes.
Okay. So since you have an experience taking care of a 1 year old baby, so you know how to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby.
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I need to check her, what we call this, temperature, sir, if she is sick, if she have a fever. Then, after that, I need to check the diaper, if it's full or full of
Pull it off.
baby.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did your very best, what will you do?
In that matter, I need to call the parents and inform that the baby is not feeling well.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Honestly, the Hong Kong is giving a good salary that I think this will help to bring my daughters good future and support them in financially.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as I have I'm fit to work and want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is a good provider for everyone's giving good salary.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, of course.
Okay, and you also have to finish your contract, right? Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Some are steamed chicken, steamed eggs with shrimp and broccoli.
Okay, and how did you learn to cook Chinese food? You don't have any experience,
Because I love cooking, I want to learn.
so you know how.
Yes.
Okay, and how will you learn? How did you learn? Do you watch something?
I love reading books. I love watching videos about cooking. I'm curious about cooking.
So, okay, that's why you know how to cook. Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir. That's no problem with me.
Okay, it is okay to you to share jobs as a helper?
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
That's okay.
Taking care of elderly, help them go to bed, to the bathroom.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. If one of your employers or one of the family of your employers doesn't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir. I will adjust and learn how to talk, to speak with them with their language. I will learn.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hello to all the employers in Hong Kong. Please hire me because I am a trustworthy person and I will give love to your children like as mine. And I guarantee that you can trust me that I'm a good person.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss. Yes. Miss Paderes. Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you.